We slept in Schiphol last night, because we are leaving to Malta and they expect a huge mess at the airport, so we wanted to be on time. So now we are walking with all the luggages to the terminal and see how it's gonna go. Crazy time at Schiphol today. Look at that, what a mess. Never saw so much. And now we are only here because we have to put the luggage on the plane. And then we have another line for the security. It will be a long, long day. And then all above there. So we start the line outside. So the only good thing is that basically everybody of our flight has to go through this, so I don't think the flight will leave empty. Anyway, I never saw anything like this, and crazy. Yes! Start another line. One hour and a half of security. Almost there. Yes, we did it. We had to run. We were allowed to on board, but really last minute. We were the last passenger, I think. I don't know. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm too old for this shit. Yes, we managed. We are on board. Hot. Let's go take the luggage. Yeah.
So it's British. It was
in European community.
It was from Britain.
So I'm going to take the rental car now, and alone, because Natasha and Chiara went with taxi arranged by the apartment with all the luggages, because we were not sure. Oh shit, I don't have a passport. Okay, well, let's see, because anyway we managed to arrive. Natasha and Chiara are already at home. I managed to arrive. It was not easy. I'm not used to anymore to driving on the right and manual gear, and yeah, nowhere to put the navigator. So it was quite a drive, but I'm arrived safely. Parking is an issue. I've been lucky, but yeah, it's not a piece of cake to find the parking here. Very busy everywhere. Anyway, now we are almost at the house. I mean, they are there already. I'm going now. So, well, so far so good. That's the apartment, the building, there with the red wall and the balcony.